Did you get denied for life insurance? You put in an application, you was hoping to get covered, but then you got denied. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you could have gotten denied. There are other reasons, but there's some 5 basic reasons that people are getting denied. Your life insurance could have got denied based on incorrect information. Sometimes there could have been a social security number wrong, date of birth wrong. You could have a similar name to a family member that has poor health. Something of that nature could have gotten you denied for your life insurance policy. So that's one reason. Another reason is, do you smoke like marijuana, weed, whatever the case may be? Because if you smoke weed, there's some companies that they still won't insure a person who smokes weed, whether it be medical marijuana or just regular marijuana. They just won't insure it. But there are some friendly life insurance companies that will accept somebody who smokes marijuana. Another third reason is, did you try to get like the life insurance when you got it? Did you get more than you get? What I mean by that is, say you make $50,000 a year. If you make $50,000 a year, then the ideal situation is for you to get 10 to 30 times your amount. It depends on the formula that's being used. 10 to 30 times the amount of your salary. So if you make $50,000, ideally to get anywhere from $500,000 to $1.5 million of coverage, somewhere in that range. Now, if you apply for $2 million or you apply for $3 million, you're probably going to get denied because that's not in your range. Now, sometimes there are some stipulations, depends on the assets that a person may have, but for the most part, they try to stay in the range of 10 to 30 times. And that 30 times is pushed, depends on the insurance company that you're using. So that could have been a reason, depends on where you are, but your agent would have spoken to you about that and such like that, and they would have spoke with you about contacting the insurance before y'all put in the application. More than likely, again, I don't know your agent, I don't know which route you went, so I couldn't go into the very details of that. Did you just get out of the hospital? Okay, so what I mean by that is, when you just get out of the hospital or you're going into the hospital, that could be a reason why you get denied for life insurance. If you just got out of the hospital within the last 30 days, even if it's something minor, they will more than likely won't insure you. Say you just came out of surgery or pregnancy, something like that, you can possibly get denied. Or you about to go into a surgery, or you're about to have a baby, they may deny you. Like if you're like 30 days from having a baby, because of the risk associated with that. Again, there are companies that will insure someone who just got out of the hospital or someone who just who about to go to the hospital, but it just depends on the situation. That's the 4th reason. Now the 5th reason is probably the most common reason. Your health is not good. Your health could be too bad to get insurance through any company, or through most companies. And that's when you need to get to a specialist like myself, that basically we help people get coverage who can't get coverage. So that's how that works. So I just want to highlight those as something that happens when the individual is trying to get coverage, and they're trying to get coverage and they accept really bad health, dialysis, severe diabetes, stroke, cancer, HIV. You need specialists to get you coverage, and I can help you in that arena. But for the most part, ideally is check with your agent or contact me, and I'll give you some pointers. You can always reach me at jamessparkman.com. You can contact me down in the comments. Definitely look forward to having you like and subscribe, share these videos. But this is just why you possibly got denied for your life insurance. You all take care and have a great day.